So that's about as far as he was able to get earlier. We'll see if the backward techniques works any better. Oh, I'm so out of breath. Whew. Whew. There are dogs. They're excited about all the snow. There you go. There he is. Looks like that might work. Oh, the joys of winter. We left the northern part of the country to not have to deal with this white stuff. Fluke of nature, I guess.